Welcome back, my little animals, and if you guys are new to this channel, hi, welcome. My name is Untitled aka Honey, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about this new hair curler that I just purchased. It is so different from anything that I've had before, so let's go ahead and jump into it. But if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, all that fun stuff. It is really cool whenever I see you guys like do that stuff, so I get excited. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Laneige Le Pirouette. I butchered that so badly, I know. But it's a titanium rotating curling iron, and this is what the box looks like. And what it claims to do is curl your hair without you having to like manually curl it. So there's like a button you press and it just like it just curls it for you, which is pretty cool. So it says hair should be clean, dry before using that. Plug the tool into an electrical outlet, then press and hold the power button for approximately 3 seconds. So once you do that, it'll start blinking, and then you get to choose like whichever heat setting you want. I always go for like 320 or 340 because I feel like it just heats up my hair really evenly that way. I don't know. It's just me. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. Ta-da! And then once you open it, the tool is inside. It usually comes in like this, and then it's nicely wrapped and everything. It comes with like a little note inside too, but it is so cool. So the reason I purchased this is because as a first-time mom, I'm probably not gonna have the same amount of time to do my hair as I did before. So I'm trying to be like super innovative and super like productive with my tools and like just trying to make my life easier, you know? So when I saw this, I was just like, this is perfect. Like I literally just sit there, curl my hair real quick, hold it for a couple seconds, and then go, you know? So that's why I picked this up. And I do already have the Dyson, and I feel like with the Dyson, it makes a lot of noise, and if the baby's sleeping, like I can't use it. So that's why I picked this up, because yeah, if the baby's sleeping, I can't be just blow drying my hair and then it's gonna wake up and then it's gonna be like this whole ordeal. Then I'm really not gonna have time to like get dressed, get ready, and like go wherever I need to go. So yeah, that's why I picked this up. Anyways, so I'm gonna list the price down below somewhere. Just so you guys can see like what it retails for. But this is pretty much close to, I know the Beach Waver is like pretty popular. That's another brand that does like the rotating curl thing. So I originally wanted to get that one, but that one is like $200, I think. And I thankfully got this one for like, I'd say around 60 something because I had a coupon. So there's that. So this is what the hair looks like once I curled it, and it kind of already like set down for a little bit. So it used to be curlier before, but I kind of wore it throughout the day. That's what it looks like. It's curled, but it gives like a nice wave, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's my hair. And do I recommend it? I feel like I do recommend it. It's good for someone that is like on the go, doesn't really have like time to do so much stuff to their hair. It's like pretty basic. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Comes with this clamp on the side like this. So you can just clamp the hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn it on. So as it's on, it's gonna start beeping like that, and then you get to choose the heat setting. Yeah, so anyways, this is a heat setting. So it has a right and a left. Okay, this one's left and this one's right. So I'm gonna hit the right one, and that's how it rotates. And then you know how it like lands in random spots like when you're rotating? So this middle button right here, it brings you back to the center. So if you click on it, it like brings it back to the center. So doing the same thing on the left side. And then it's like on that side. So I'm just gonna press the center and it gets it right in the middle again. So this is so cool and it's so quiet, and I'm just like, this is perfect to do my hair with without actually having to like curl it or like manually do things with my arms, because I know I'm gonna be super tired. So I'm just like, this is perfect. And yeah, so this is the rotating curling wand from Laneige. I don't even know how to like, I don't know the way that they want me to say this, but I say Laneige. Like, I don't know. That's just what I say. But yeah, this is cute. This is the blush rotating curling iron and the barrel 26. And it's super cute, super cute. So I'm just gonna put this down and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I use it coming up like right now. Okay, so I set up the heat to 340. That's what it looks like. And I already did one side of my head, like half of my hair. So I'm gonna do the other side and I'm gonna teach you guys like how I do it. So since there's like a small little clamp at the end like this, like at the start of the barrel, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section off my hair, grab a piece of the hair, like about this much, and I'm gonna run it through the section, like that little clamp part, just so it kind of like straightens it. So now that it's like smooth, I'm going to go ahead and clamp the end of my hair with the end of the clamp. And there's like a left or right button, so I'm gonna do the left side since this is my right side. And I'm just gonna click on it while it rotates my hair in the barrel. So once it has my hair in the barrel, I'm just gonna keep it there for like about 40-30 seconds or so. And then I'm gonna release it and it's gonna leave like this beautiful little curl. And you guys are gonna see right in like about 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm gonna start letting go and I'm gonna pull it down. So it should look something like this. And it's super bouncy, it's super soft. I like how it curls my hair. So throwing that back to the side, I'm gonna do the rest of my head. So I'm just gonna speed it up so you guys see like exactly how I do it. So is this something that I would recommend? I would actually really recommend this, especially if you're a person on the go and want something that is just kind of gonna do the work for you. Or if you had some type of like arm injury or something, or hand injury, and everything that you do just hurts your hands. I recommend purchasing that just because it does it for you and it's like super simple, super easy. But yeah, I am totally in love with it, and hopefully you guys pick it up and try it yourselves and let me know what you think. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys subscribed, liked, shared, commented, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!